Installing Hotwire heating mats is simple, safe and easy, as long as you follow the right steps. In this video, we'll walk you through the process and highlight the key points to make your install smooth and problem-free. For detailed information or any further questions, refer to the installation manual or give us a call. In your kit, you'll find an installation manual, a roll of tape, an element testing record, a continuity alarm, a heating element, and a thermostat including floor probe. Step 1. Measure before you order. First, measure your space carefully before ordering your mat. If your mat is larger or smaller than the space, you'll have a problem installing it. The mat must match your room's dimensions. If you're unsure, contact Hotwire before ordering and our team will calculate the exact mat you need. Step 2. Prepare the subfloor. Make sure your floor is clean, level and primed before rolling out the mat. A good foundation means a reliable installation. Step 3. Roll out the heating mat. Roll the mat to cover the area. Cut the mesh back to turn corners. Never cut the heating cable itself. It all needs to be laid across the floor. Step 4. Position and fix the mat. Lay the mat down in place. The mat will stick to the floor. If you have trouble with adhesion, spray adhesive may help. Avoid running cable under permanent fixtures like shower bases or floor fixed vanities. The heat will spread evenly across your room. Step 5. Electrical connections. Bring the cold tail up the wall to your desired thermostat location. All electrical work must be carried out by a licensed electrician. Step 6. Install the floor probe. The probe must be installed evenly between 2 element runs. Step 7. Testing. Test resistance and continuity before, during and after installation. This ensures your system is safe and working correctly. Step 8. Embed the tile adhesive. Once installed, you can either tile directly onto the mat, cover the mat with a self-leveling compound, or sand and cement screed if using the in-screed mat. Your Hotwire heating mat is now installed and ready to bring comfortable, even warmth. Remember, never cut the cable, always measure first, and if you have any questions, please refer to the manual or contact Hotwire for expert support.